Hello class, in this video I'll be showing you how to find the derivative of a function that requires more than one rule. Let's begin. Okay, so we have find the derivative of g of x is equal to x squared divided by e raised to the negative x squared plus 3. Since g of x is a rational expression, we are going to apply the quotient rule. So I'm going to identify the numerator as the top. I'm just going to call it t of x. And the denominator with a b of x for bottom. So the quotient rule requires the derivative of the numerator, which in this case is 2x. And it also requires the derivative of the denominator. Since b of x is an exponential function, we are going to use the chain rule version for the exponential function, which means that the derivative is the original function times the derivative of the exponent. So over here, the exponent, which I'll label r of x, is negative x squared plus 3. So the derivative of r is negative 2x. So the derivative of b with respect to x is the original function times the derivative of the exponent. And now we are ready to put together the derivative of g of x. So g of x is the following. It's the derivative of the numerator times the denominator minus the numerator times the derivative of the denominator all divided by the denominator squared. Now, you may notice in this derivative that all three of the terms have an e raised to the negative x squared plus 3 factor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to factor that expression out of the numerator. So that you can clearly see that we are able to divide one factor in the numerator with one factor in the denominator. So the derivative is the following.